Import the acrylic cutting file. Mirror the file horizontally. Cutting acrylic with CNC router engraving machine. Mill the edges after cutting. Import the PVC cutting file. Cutting PVC with CNC router engraving machine. Cut and bend the flat aluminum material on the letter bending machine. Automatically bend according to the shape of the letter. Bending is completed. Fix with AB glue. First, use glue A, super strong cyanoacrylate glue that ensures maximum durability and bonding strength. Then use glue B, accelerator for bondless bonding. In just 3 seconds, it creates a powerful and permanent bond. Perfect combination of flat aluminum and acrylic. Prepare PVC and LED modules and punching pliers. Paste the LED modules to PVC board. Fix LED modules with screws. Fix LED modules wires. LED modules pasted. Test lighting. Fix installation buckles to PVC. Installation buckles can be used to fix letters on the wall more conveniently after the letters are completed. Punch pliers. Punch holes around the flat aluminum. Fix with screws. Luminous characters are made. Lighting test.